My name is Jacob Guerra at Kapco. I'm a CNC operator. Working here has just been a great experience, getting into the work environment, working with people, getting hands-on experience working on machines and stuff like that. Every day when I put on my boots, it's just some feeling. I love coming to work every day. I would recommend this to everyone. Kapco's a great company. I feel like I've been treated amazingly. Parents tell me there's no other company that treats employees like that, especially a teenager. Most people wouldn't care that much, and welcomed with open arms, and I feel really respected here, and it's just an amazing company to work for.
I'm Jenny Wenger, Senior Director of Talent and Development at Kapco Metal Stamping. If you have any questions on anything you saw today and would like to learn more about careers in manufacturing, give me a call or send me an email. I look forward to hearing from you.